Hi, my name is Ben Clayton, and I'm with STS, or Strategic Thinking Systems. And I've created this quick video just to tell you about some things that are coming we're super excited about. So this platform we're developing is designed to enable users, we're imagining people within decision-making capabilities that have like board positions or in director roles or C-suite within companies that have ESG responsibilities, so environmental, social, and governance responsibilities. They have mandates. They have things that they're responsible for doing. So we're trying to support those companies that are trying to do something positive for the environment, or they have social mandates or initiatives, or maybe they're trying to improve their governance to reflect their ESGs overall. But beyond that, we're also aiming to work with those that are working on SDG initiatives. So those are the Sustainable Development Goals from the UN, and those in general that are working on issues to address climate and climate change. So the way we're doing that is we're creating this platform that enables people like this that are having to make decisions around ESGs, etc. But they have like a lot of other things they have to take into consideration, like all of their business responsibilities, say around finance or management, projects, initiatives that are ongoing, products, new launches, expansion, mergers, all these things that business leaders and board members have to take in consideration when they are, going about their day-to-day business. And so sometimes these companies have ESGs that come about that they either didn't, plan on, or now are mandated, or they really are wanting to, and maybe say the employees or stakeholders are really starting to push. So leaders of the companies to take these more seriously, or they've had an awakening moment, like a lot of us have. So you know what, this is the climate is a really a serious issue that we really need to put all our forces to bear, bring all of them to bear in order to have an impact, and we have a responsibility and the capability to do something about it because we have a company, large and small. We have a lot of energy in order to leverage in order to make a difference. So you have all these responsibilities that companies like this have, or organizations have, and they have all of the complexity of running their business and their organization in a very complex world that's changing very, very rapidly, especially with new technologies that are coming about, like artificial intelligence. So what we've done at STS is we've built a platform that allows people to take all this complex uh, information and data, like situations that they have within their company, and the complexity around ESGs and what's the impact that they're going to have in the world, and bring in artificial intelligence and the incredible power that these tools now have. And so what we're doing is we're designing a platform, we have a platform now, that's allowing people to take all that complexity, take these powerful tools, and start to arrange all of this information and these tools in a way that companies can actually like make sense of it all, and like basically process all that data, ask questions, start to create plans, and then most importantly, make decisions. So we set out in order to help companies make better decisions, or people make better decisions within all of this complexity. It's super hard to do. So we see, companies making poor decisions. We see people making poor decisions based on fear, based on incomplete data, or maybe falsehoods, or things that are just not proven out. And so when you add these LLMs and artificial intelligence with people with experience, with human capabilities of making decisions, and that have the vision of the company and everything in mind, what happens is that you have a really an amazing alchemy between the two that allows people to make better decisions, or at least take that information and get better outputs. You put it into information, you have powerful LLMs, and you have people with a lot of capability, and then you start to get some really interesting information out of it. But then the next step, which we also are addressing, is to take action. So the next problem that we identified is that with all of these artificial intelligence LLMs is that you can get a lot of information. We already have a lot of information. Now you're kind of getting more information. You're kind of getting a lot of suggestions that may be good or may be bad. It's just like, well, how do you, what do you do with all of this? So with STS, making better decisions, and then with a heavy bias towards taking action, we take all this information and move you from complexity to simplifying things, to getting good, clear information so you can make better decisions and then take action. So we're really excited about this product and the service that we're going to be providing. We're launching very, very soon. So please stay tuned to this channel. We're going to have many more updates. We're going to talk about artificial intelligence. We're going to talk about decision making. We're going to talk about ESGs and SDGs and the climate. And we're going to talk about how to basically make better decisions based on cognitive science, on the best studies, best information, best research that we're able to find that's out there in the world in order to help companies move from complexity to taking better decisions and taking action so we can really have a positive impact and make a difference in the world. So stay tuned. Can't wait to share more with you as things develop. We'll see you soon.